If your HVAC system is running too hot, too cold, or not at all, it's time to troubleshoot, starting with your thermostat. Here's what you'll need. First, turn off the power at the breaker box to ensure no power is running to the system or your thermostat. Now you're ready to remove the thermostat cover. Most pop right off, but some need to be unscrewed. Most wiring is color-coded to make installation easier, so check your owner's manual for a wiring diagram. Then, inspect each wire tip and terminal. Look for any loose, cut, or corroded wiring. If wiring is loose, reattach it securely to the appropriate terminal. To remove corrosion or improve a connection, use wire strippers to expose a fresh section of wire. Then reattach it to the terminal. Once you have repaired any wiring issues, place the cover back on the unit. Finally, turn the power back on and test the HVAC system. Good luck and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.